Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 1st, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we're on the 4 hour time frame. So, on the 4 hour time frame, my original analysis was that it was going to go down and make a big wave C, but to me, this doesn't look like a trend anymore. It didn't really maintain impulsive movement to the downside, but instead, it kind of made what I think looks possibly like another ABC correction. If that is an ABC correction, it's either now going to continue the uptrend, making higher highs, higher lows on the 4 hour, or possibly it could turn into like another three wave pattern, like another ABC pattern forming like three waves down, three waves up, and then three waves down again, or possibly five waves down again. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I think we need to be looking for longs. Now, if it bounces from a fib level and breaks structure to the downside, you could definitely, become bearish again. But I think we either going to end up continuing the uptrend, making a new high, or we're going to go up near these highs, and then break structure to the downside, and then make another wave up like this, making another ABC correction like this. So either I'm expecting three waves up, or I'm expecting it to continue to make higher highs, higher lows on the 4 hour time frame. Either way, for now, I definitely would be bullish on the pound dollar. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.